Okay, so similar question to the previous one here. So we're going to times here the big numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. And then with the powers then, okay, when you're timesing x terms here, the powers, of course, then you need to add using rules of indices. Okay, all over then x to the power 3 over 2. So if you work this out on your calculator, minus 7 over 4 plus 17 over 4, it turns out to be 5 over 2. Okay, and that's divided by then x to the power 3 over 2. And then, of course, you've got then dividing terms. You're dividing x terms. When you divide using rules of indices, you take away. Okay, so I take that away then on my calculator. Okay, I actually just turns out to be 1, right? So it'll be 6x to the power 1, which of course I don't need to write, so I can leave it as 6x. With the second one then, we are adding terms here. Okay, now you can't add terms. There's no rules as such where we can put them together because they're different, aren't they? These are completely different terms. This is x to the power 1/7, this is x to the power 2/7, so they don't go together. But we need to divide the collective by this here, 7x to the power 7th. So the best way to go about it is to split it up. So write this as 28x to the power 7th divided by 7x to the power 7th plus 7x to the power 7th divided by 7x to the power 7th. It should be 2/7 there, shouldn't I? I wrote that down wrong. Okay, 2/7 there. Okay, so when we divide them, you'll notice this term here, right? 28 divided by 7, of course, is 4, right? And x to the power 7th divided by x to the power 7th, well, they just cancel, don't they? They're the same, okay? So they just cancel out. So we just end up with 4 there. Here, then, when I divide these, 7 divided by 7 is actually 1, isn't it? So I don't know why I've written 7 there, because 7 divided by 7 is 1. But x to the power 2/7 divided by x to the power 7th, well, you take them away, so it'll be 2/7 take away a 7th. So you end up having 4 plus x, and 2/7 take away a 7th is a 7th. So there's the answer, 4 plus x to the power 1/7.